Hi students, welcome to this quick video on calculating discount. Now we have to remember that when we are calculating discounts result in your original value being less or decreasing your original value. And remember, when we say original value, we mean marked price. So marked price or original price, it means the same thing. If you have not watched that quizzes video where I introduce the concept of discount, I will suggest you watch it. It will be linked above. All right, so let's go straight into solving this problem. So we have the marked price, which is $800. Marked price is the same thing as original price, and the discount is 15% off. Now, one method you can use is find 15% of 800. So 15% is coming off. What is the value that's coming off? How much money? What does 15% of 800 looks like? We find 15% of 800. So 15% of 800. Now, if it is that you have not watched that video on how to work with percentages or how to find percentages of quantities, I would advise that you watch it now. I will also link that video above. So you click that link to watch the video before proceeding with this. All right, I won't go in much detail. So we're dividing through by 100. So 15 times 8, what does that give us? 120. So that means that 15% of $800 is $120. This is just the discount. The $120 is just the discount. What is the question asking you for? The question says calculate the sale price. Calculate the sale price. So what's the sale price? Remember, the sale price is the amount that an item costs after the discount. So after you take off some money, after you reduce the original price. So I'm going to use the abbreviation STP for sale price. So the sale price is, we're going to take off the discount or the discounted value. We're going to take it away from the original value, or what we call the marked price. So let me write it here. So we have marked price. I'm using the abbreviations MP for marked price. And we're going to take away the discount value, meaning the money, the amounts, the discount values. All right. So the discount is $120 and the marked price is $800. So the item cost $800 originally, and the discount is 120. So we're going to take away 120. Let me put my dollar sign. All right. And so when I take away 800, when I take 120, from 800, that leaves me with $680. So the sale price, how much is the item being sold for? $680. Now there is an even easier way of solving this problem, and I am going to show you that way now. All right. Now, whenever we're calculating discounts and working with percentages, we have to remember that percent means out of 100, right? So the starting price or the marked price or the original price, they all three mean the same thing. The original price is always 100%. That's the amount that you start with. So the starting amount is always 100%. And then the discount is 15%. That means that 15% is being taken away from the original. So it's like you go to spend your money and you have $100 in your pocket. That is your starting amount. You have $100 in your pocket, that's your starting amount. And you go to the store and you see a lollipop, for example, and that lollipop costs $15. Of course, when you spend $15 out of your $100, what are you going to have left? $85, not true? It's the same principle here. You start with 100% of your money. 100%, you ever hear about full 100? Yes, you start with full 100. So the starting price is always 100%. And the discount is 15%. That means that 15% is coming off. So that means that the sale price, the amount that the item will be sold for, will be less than 100%. So you have to take away the 15%, which is the discount value. We're going to take away the 15% from the 100%. And that leaves us with 85%. So what does that mean? It means that the sale price is 85% of the original price. That means that when the item is being sold, it's only being sold at 85%. So all you have to do, guys, is find 85% of the $800. And once you find 80% of the $800, then you have your answer. So you divide through by 100, and then you say 85 times 800. You're supposed to get back this, sorry, not 85 times 800, 85 times 8. You're supposed to get back the same 680 that we got moments ago. All right. So this step is easy. This step is the easiest step. Or if you don't want to write your 85% as a fraction, but you want to write as a decimal, if you say 85 divided by 100 is the same thing as 0.85, and you just multiply 0.85 times 8, and you're going to get the same answer. All right? Sorry, 0.85 times 800. I'm not sure what's happening with me today. And we get the same 680. So let's recap, students. When we're finding a discount, the original amount or the marked price will be reduced. When we reduce the original price, we take away the discount value, or we reduce the percentage. So if it is that a discount is 15%, we're going to take away 15% from 100%. If the discount value is 25% or 23% or 8%, we take away the 8% from our original 100%. And then we just multiply that percentage by the amount. Or you could find the discount first, find what the discount is first, and then subtract it from the marked price. So you determine what method you want to use, if you want to use this method, the first one here, or this method here. All right, so it's up to you. You decide. Now you're going to have some examples to practice. So you're going to go into Google Classroom and complete those activities. All right, students, thank you so much for watching this video. Continue watching, like and comment below if this video helps, so that I know how best I can assist you. Remember to subscribe and take care.